todos y todas, bienvenidos a una nueva clase. Hello everyone, welcome to a new class. Our goal for today is to master the present tense of the regular verbs. That way we're gonna start communicating in a simple but efficient way in Spanish. So if you're up to the challenge, then let's do it. For today's video, we're gonna use some of the verbs that we saw either here or here. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you do. You will expand your vocabulary and it will help you today. Alright, so let's get started with the present tense. As with this one and future grammar videos, we will be taking a look at 3 different sections. We will first see when to use it, then how to use it, and last but not least, we will have a dedicated section for you to practice and put your new knowledge to test. So stick to the end and I'll guarantee you will master the present tense in Spanish. Let's go. Okay, so when do we use the present tense? Much like in English, we are going to use the present tense in Spanish in 3 different situations. To talk about facts, to talk about routines or repetitive actions, or to talk about events in the near future. That's it. So now let's see how to conjugate it. In a previous video, we learned that Spanish verbs can be classified in 3 different groups depending on their endings. We have verbs that end with AR, ER, and IR. In present tense, each one of those groups has a different conjugation, but since they're regular, conjugations are going to be consistent depending on the group. Okay, so let's see how to conjugate AR ending verbs. We're going to take hablar, to speak, as an example. And we're gonna start by subtracting the AR, the ending, and adding the respective suffix to each personal pronoun. Let's see. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Él, ella, usted habla. Nosotros, nosotras hablamos. Vosotros, vosotras habláis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. Okay, so there we have it. These are the endings for the first group. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. As you can see, each personal pronoun has its own, and that's why sometimes in Spanish we take the liberty to use the personal pronouns or not. In other words, I could say yo hablo español or simply hablo español. Both are correct, but I could even say that the second one is more common. Moving on to ER ending verbs, we're gonna do the exact same process. So we're gonna use the verb leer, to read. Once again, we're gonna start by subtracting the ending, ER, and adding the respective suffix for each personal pronoun. So let's see. Yo leo. Tú lees. Él, ella, usted lee. Nosotros, nosotras leemos. Vosotros, vosotras leéis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes leen. And there we have it. These are the endings for the second group. O, es, hemos, eis, en. And last but not least, let's see how to conjugate IR ending verbs. So we're gonna use the verb escribir, to write, as an example. Once again, bye-bye ending and hello suffix. Yo escribo. Tú escribes. Él, ella, usted escribe. Nosotros, nosotras escribimos. Vosotros, vosotras escribís. Ellos, ellas, ustedes escriben. Okay, and there we have it. These are the endings for the third and last group. O, es, imos, is, en. You may be thinking, wait a minute, Joe has the exact same ending, and yes, this is true. Joe is here to make your life easier, but I would suggest that you learn each group separately. So please make sure that you repeat this video as many times as you need. Alright, so now let's put your brand new knowledge to good use. Here we have 6 different sentences and you will have to fill the blanks with the right conjugation. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to think about it and you're gonna find the correct answers at the end. Yo hablo mucho. Tú caminas por el parque. Nosotros vemos televisión cada noche. Él lee libros. Ellos escriben novelas. Vosotros abrís la puerta. Okay, how many out of 6 did you get? Did you get them all right? If you made it this far into the video, congratulations! I'm pretty sure that you're now able to use the present tense, so keep practicing. I have created a free sheet that you can download in the description box. Put a little bit of time, put a little bit of effort, and I guarantee that in no time you will be speaking even better Spanish than I do. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Remember that you can sign up for a free trial lesson and see you next time.